In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed audio or video on Payhip. If you're looking to enhance your digital product listings with multimedia content from platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or SoundCloud, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore how to seamlessly integrate these into your Payhip product page, making it more engaging and informative for your customers. To begin, once you're logged into your Payhip account, you're going to start by adding a new digital product. Click on the Add Product button, and then you'll need to upload the file of the digital product you're selling. This is your main product content, which could be anything from an ebook to a digital art piece or even software. Payhip offers great flexibility in what you can sell, making it a fantastic platform for creatives and entrepreneurs. Now, here's where the magic happens. After you've uploaded your file, scroll down a bit, and you'll notice an option labeled Embed Audio Video. This is a powerful tool that allows you to add multimedia content to your product page, enhancing the overall experience for your customers. In this section, you'll paste the link to your YouTube, Vimeo, or SoundCloud file. Let's say you've created a detailed video guide that complements your ebook, or perhaps a soundtrack that's perfect for your digital art collection. Copy the URL of that video or audio file from your chosen platform. Simply go to your video or audio post on YouTube, Vimeo, or SoundCloud, click on the Share option, and copy the link provided. Once you have your link ready, come back to your Payhip product page and paste it into the Embed Audio/Video field. After you've pasted your link, Payhip takes care of the rest. The video or audio player will automatically appear on your product page, making it easy for your customers to engage with your content directly. This integration is seamless and ensures your customers have a rich, valuable experience without having to leave the page. Something to keep in mind is that this added media can really boost the perceived value of your product. It's not just about the file itself. You're offering an experience, additional insight, or tangible value through this multimedia content. So, take a moment to think about how best to leverage this feature. You might want to include a personal message, a tutorial, or any content that adds depth to what you're offering. Not only does this enhance customer satisfaction, but it can also encourage more sales and positive reviews, as your personal touch truly stands out. That wraps up our quick guide on embedding audio and video into your Payhip product pages. Remember, with this feature, you can significantly elevate your product offerings, keeping your customers engaged and informed. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on Payhip.